Life is full of cherished moments with our loved ones. But have you ever considered how to protect their future when you're no longer around? Life insurance is more than just a policy. It's a promise to safeguard your family's financial well-being. By securing life insurance, you ensure that your family can maintain their lifestyle, cover daily expenses, and plan for future milestones, even in your absence. Here are key reasons to consider life insurance. Income replacement. It replaces lost income, ensuring your family can meet financial obligations. Debt coverage. It covers outstanding debts like mortgages, preventing your loved ones from inheriting financial burdens. Education fund. It secures funds for your children's education, helping them achieve their dreams. Peace of mind. It provides peace of mind knowing your family is protected against unforeseen circumstances. Understanding the types of life insurance can help you make an informed decision. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, ideal for temporary needs. Jumbo life insurance offers lifelong coverage with a cash value component, serving as a long-term financial tool. Avoid these common mistakes to ensure your family's future is secure. Delaying purchase. Waiting can lead to higher premiums or ineligibility due to health changes. Insufficient coverage. Ensure the policy amount adequately meets your family's needs. Overlooking policy lapses. Regularly review and maintain premium payments to keep coverage active. Ignoring policy details. Understand your policy's terms to avoid unexpected surprises. Taking the first step towards securing life insurance is simple. 1. Assess your needs. Evaluate your financial obligations and family requirements. 2. Consult a professional. Seek advice to choose the right policy tailored to your situation. 3. Apply for coverage. Complete the application process to initiate protection. At Vantage Capital, we're committed to helping you protect what matters most. Visit our website to learn more and take the first step towards securing your family's future.